All right. ClickStacks. Yeah, we're finally at diamond level. So it's level up time. It's congrats. You just received or just reached diamond level. To thank you for your loyalty, you will now receive automatic processing on virtual code rewards. You will also enjoy a 3% discount on all rewards, not including PayPal and direct deposit, and monthly bonus of 3% based on your monthly point earnings. Okay, so we got that. So what that means is, you know, more percentage, on earnings for referrals. So yeah, PrizeRebel, that is the site that I use. I take surveys and get paid to take surveys. And I would recommend signing up with them. You can click the link at the bottom of the page, you know, and automatic processing comes at like gold level, I believe. So in like 5 or 10 minutes, you should get a payment in your PayPal account. So you should open up a PayPal if you don't have one, sign up for an account, and they'll transfer the earnings that you make into your PayPal account. And it's like that. So you need to sign up and get some money in your pocket or invest that money. I think you should invest it. I'm going to show some investment ideas that I have and give insight on what I know and how you can flip your money, flip your earnings, and make more money, you know? So that's what this site is about, ClickStacks. I give insight on what you can do online to get paid and how to transfer those funds in that PayPal account. All right, so let's get to rocking. Let's go. Let's get this money. Go in there, you click that earn, click the rewards, check whatever reward you want. Some people like gift cards, but I prefer the PayPal method because you can get it sent straight to your account and use it wherever. So yeah, go to your surveys and choose the ones with the highest first if you can get in, because sometimes, like I said, they'll disqualify you if you don't qualify for it, but you just don't give in. You just keep going and going. We waste time, valuable time, and that time can be used to make some money. So level up and get this cash. All right, peace.